so in line with a lot of the way that we train here at Premier Credit, because we aligned with a sales trainer named Mahan Khalsa, who talks about how the feeling of being sold is kind of the same feeling of being punched in the gut a little bit. You're kind of, there's a natural reaction where you're just not very comfortable with it. And oftentimes just through, like what you said, the generalities, the asking questions, really trying to allow the client to make a decision for themselves and just kind of guiding that process, you know, that's where you build an amazing customer experience in any industry, I think. So I think that that's so cool that that's something that's ingrained. And what's funny about that is that, you know, your pull-through rates with clients who come into our services, whether it's credit repair or refer to us, I mean, they're much higher than a lot of people throughout the country, because there is that level of, hey, I'm just here to try to help you. There's no judgment. I'm an advocate for you. And then slowly they become an advocate back, right? So that's super cool. Yeah. That's a big deal. And it's seen every day with your customers as well.
Yeah, I just love being able to be a part of someone's life, right? Buying a house is a huge milestone. And especially in our American culture, that's like a staple right along with getting married. Yeah. I mean, buying a house is a huge deal. And just being able to be the wedding planner in that situation and kind of guide them through that whole process of what that looks like. Yeah. It's so rewarding. And I got to go to a housewarming party of some friends of mine. They weren't, okay, back up. They weren't friends of mine when we started. Now they're friends of mine. Like cool. It's crazy. I'm going to dinner tonight with a friend that I sold a house to, and we immediately connected. And they bought a house from me. And it's not so much about that, but we've built relationships that actually lasted outside of the transaction. Yeah. So I'm blessed because now I have people to hang out with me when normally I'd just be lonely. But it's really awesome just to be part of so many people's lives and see their journey. It's so rewarding.